Hey, what's up? This is Ben, and we're here to check out the Garmin Drive 53 GPS. It has a nice bright 5-inch high-resolution touchscreen, it's easy to install, it's easy to use, and it offers you a huge upgrade versus just using your smartphone. Let's check it out. Packaging right away. Pretty cool. Right away it gives you a QR code that you can scan, and that'll give you the app for constant updates and things like that. You know, whenever you need a map update, you'll be able to go on. And I believe there is a USB cable that you can use for that. So first things first, make sure you download that QR code. Nice protective covering that you'll probably want to take off during the installation process. Comes with a power cable, obviously you'll need that. Comes with your accessories. And it's really gonna allow you to get constant updates reliably. Let's talk a little bit about my favorite features. First thing I see is this nice, bright, high-resolution touchscreen. Power button's located on the back. There's room for an SD card if you're looking for extra storage down the road. You don't have to worry about using data on your phone because everything is pre-installed on this device. If you are in an area with no cell phone service, this is gonna come in handy because all your maps are preloaded. One of the features I really like is the fact when you're driving down the road, you're gonna get regular TripAdvisor updates, and you'll see different ratings for different businesses, for example, restaurants and other places that you might wanna just stop in and do a pit stop. Finally, let's talk about driver alerts. As you drive down the road, you're gonna get updates on school zones, areas that you need to slow down, and it just really keeps you aware of your surroundings and just keeps you safe. Okay, that's a wrap. This was the Garmin Drive 53 GPS system. Overall, a simple but effective unit. If you're looking for more information from a virtual expert like me, Ben, click on the link below. Safe travels.